As autumn begins to approach, the desire to tidy up and clean your home will more than likely be strong. Both the insides and the outsides of our homes need a good cleaning power time to time. And when it comes to the outside, there's really no better way to clean up dirt than by using a pressure washer. We've listed down the top 3 best small pressure washers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, columbiaflorist.net. Number 3. Champion 3200 PSI 2.4 GPM Dolly-style gas pressure washer. The Champion Dolly-style gas pressure washer is the best pressure washer you can find for tough jobs. It's a bit priced than the other two were discussed, but has a super high impact that can easily lift dirt and grime off so many different things. It comes with a 3200 PSI and an OHV engine for ease of use. It's a powerful stream of water at a reasonable price considering the pressure of water it holds. This model also comes with a detergent hose with a comfort grip, so you can blast out this high-pressured water stream without having it wreck your hands or arms. It has steady nozzle streaming for consistent cleaning and comes with a 2-year warranty backed by the company. Number 2. Greenworks 1600 PSI 13 amp 1.2 GPM pressure washer GPW1602. This Greenworks model is the best model for washing your car. The high pressure behind this washer is strong enough to cut through all kinds of road grit, but won't damage your car in the process. It's strong enough to clean out window grime and even dirt on the tires, but gentle enough to be used on the entire car to leave it clean and sparkling. This model comes in at 1600 PSI, so you know the impact of the clean will be amazing. It can also be used horizontally or vertically for better stability depending on the type of job you are using it for. While it's great for cars, it's also great for all kinds of other jobs power washers are meant for, but its specialty isn't car cleaning. Number 1. Sunjoe SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 model is a great pressure washer for beginners because it's an all-in-one system. It even comes with nifty tips and tricks to help you on your way to achieving the best clean you can get. It's easy to hold, has detergent options if you need a deep clean, and can easily clean up muck from all kinds of things, such as boats, buildings, RVs, pavement, etc. This is a high-powered machine that can heat up water to up to 104 degrees. This will help break up even the toughest grime. The system also automatically shuts off whenever there is not enough water in the tank, so you don't have to worry about the machine burning out. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.